let's start. Now we will set up the Laravel in our Laravel 12 in our local system. So for Laravel 12 setup, we will create a project in this folder. So we are going to just open this location in CMD, and I will write the command for Laravel 12 setup. So just write composer create project and space and Laravel / Laravel and your project name. So I am going to write the project name. So it's from my project name is Laravel Livewire CRUD. Okay, so I am just going to enter, and now this will take time. So it will take approx 1 minute to install Laravel 12 in your system. So just wait. So now you can see the setup is finished. Before this, when you start this Laravel installation, before that you need to check your Composer. Composer is installed in your system or not. So to check the Composer is installed in your system or not, just write Composer and press enter, and then you can see this icon. This icon is coming, Composer. So in my system, Composer is already installed, and I have created this project in htdocs. So before this, you need to install XAMPP. I think this thing you already know that in XAMPP I have created in htdocs inside the project folder. I have created this project. So if you don't know how to install XAMPP in your system, so in description I have given the link of PHP tutorial where I have covered this topic, how to install XAMPP in your Windows. So just watch this video, and you will get the idea how to install XAMPP in your Windows system. So after installation Laravel, you need to go to that folder which project you have created. So cd Laravel Livewire CRUD. So this is your folder. Now you have to run your PHP artisan serve. Okay, so when you run this, your server will start. And now you have to check Composer update. So this will update everything which you have created in your Laravel project. So just wait, it will update all the files in Composer. Okay, so now we will run the PHP artisan serve. There is some spelling mistake. PHP artisan, ARTISAN. So this is the correct spelling of artisan. So done some mistake in spelling. So now you can see your server is running. So you need to press Ctrl and click on this link. So now your server will be started. So you can see the Laravel project is started. So now I am going to install the Livewire. So you need to write the command for Livewire composer Livewire, need to write required also. Composer required Laravel, Composer require Livewire. So now you can see the Livewire is starting to install in your system. So now you can see the Livewire version 3.6 is installed in your system. So if you want to check your Livewire version, so there is two way. You can check in Composer file. I am going to open this project in VS Code. So just write, if you want to open this project in VS Code, so just write code space and dot. So this will open your project in VS Code. So this project is now open in VS Code. So if you want to check the Livewire version, so you can you have to just go to composer.json file. So in composer.json file you can see the Laravel Livewire version 3.6 and Laravel framework version is 12. Okay, so now I think the Laravel and the Livewire is successfully installed our system, and we are just going to check once. Run php artisan serve. So this will open, this will start your application again, and we are just going to reload this. So you can see everything is running. So in this part I think we set up our projects, and the next part we will cover, we will work on the UI part and all the controller model and everything we will create in next part. And I think everything is clear in your mind. If you have any types of problem, you can comment me, and I will push this code into our Git repository. So if you want to know how to push Laravel project into your Git, so you need to just comment. So I will also make the video on that, how to push your Laravel project on Git. So if you like this video, press on like button and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updated video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next part. Bye, take care.